It is 5:40 in the morning, and I'm getting ready to commute to New York for a work day. Skincare on, getting the face ready. Big day for this girl. Okay, now I am dressed. I got my hair done yesterday by Kendra at Bone & Co. I've been going to her for years, and I feel so much better, you guys. I hadn't done my color in like 7 months, 8 months maybe. This is my little travel outfit. And we have a big couple of days for Mindful. All right, it's 5:45. Let's get in the car and go to the airport.
We are in the Uber and I'm gonna do a quick little makeup. And then we get into media training all day. I am so excited for today. Straight off the plane. The girlies are here. They're gonna help me. I think there's two pieces. One is I've been a creator for the past 10 years, and so I talked about health, but from my journey. And so a piece of it is having the confidence and to have that authority mindset around nutrition, the experience that a lot of women in their 30s and 40s have had, less so younger generations, but with diet culture.
One more big breath in, and on your exhale, you're gonna allow those eyelids to close right down, but keeping your eyes actually still looking up and feeling those eyelids just fluttering, knowing that powerful hypnosis is coming upon you. We are going to actually descend down those stairs. There's 10 of them.
And Brad also with the split of Cadbury.
Felt bloated or discomfort after eating.
Oh my God, right now.
We've got women. Have you ever felt guilty because you ate that thing that made you feel that way?
Power 3. Yes.
1, 2, 3.
It's not the best lighting, but we have magically changed clothes and we are going out to dinner. And one of my besties is here. She's gonna have a slumber party with me. And this is just New York.
You guys, the packaging just came. We got it rush shipped to New York, so I have it for the pitch tomorrow to show people, and also to have it for the shoot that is in 2 days, where we are supposed to shoot because we are launching next Tuesday. And it just came and it's printed terribly, like the color you cannot see at all, and the packaging is like so thin and Kleenexy, and I don't know what to do. I feel so sad because we worked so hard on this packaging and this is not what it's supposed to be. Start off life.
Good morning. It is time for a workout. All right, we are headed out to a Soul Cycle class. I feel like yesterday I was up for 20 hours. How insane was that? That this morning when I woke up, even though I got, I think 8 hours of sleep, maybe 7.5, I felt like I got 2, but I still am getting my body up because I know that a spin class of workout is gonna give me so much back. And I packed a Lara bar as a starter, just as an emergency, so we've got this.
I just finished Soul Cycle and Matcha is literally giving me life, and I am emergency running to Sugaring NYC to get my armpits sugared. Life is a girl. And then I have to get a blow dry and get on with this day. Our big pitch and event for Mindful is tonight. is my breakfast. We've got potatoes, gluten-free bread, eggs. They said no dairy, nothing on it, but they do look really good, so I question it. It's bad that I question it, but I only trust my own food when it tastes this good. I'm having a mint tea because I already had a matcha, and then this morning was a Lara bar for a starter. I just got out of the shower and we're waiting for Glam Squad to come and do my hair. Packed my Symbiotica just because these are so easy when traveling, even sometimes over like little supplements, just because it's easy to throw these in, they're flat, it's great. Glutathione is so important for antioxidant. If you're having if I'm literally having a single drink, I'm taking this. I have an event tonight, so brought these. Also just really good for supporting your system. Vitamin C, obviously not getting sick while traveling, this is crucial. And then super greens, I feel like boost of energy, greens, chlorophyll when you're on the run. I feel like you don't get as many greens as I would at home. I'm grabbing like maybe a smoothie, but you know, eggs, toast, whatever I can. So this is my trifecta. Also packed protein powder packets, little travel ones. I have my Array Calm, Array Bloat. I also packed a probiotic and some beauty electrolytes from Peak. Okay, you guys, I am running out of here. Glam Squad killed it with my hair. Loved it so good. In the Uber on my way to meet Maddie, who is my manager. It is the first time I'm actually meeting her in person. She's my manager for creator content. I just signed with her at TDD, and I'm so excited for us to meet up for lunch. I'm actually running a little bit late, but hopefully that's okay. It's New York. We're all being patient today. Hair is done by Glam Squad. I'm loving this. The blonde, the little like shimmy bangs here we did with our cut a couple days ago, and now I'm feeling fresh and ready for the day and the city. This is going to be so fun. We're going to Le Mercier, which I'll share with you, obviously. It's going to be cute inside. And then tonight is our big moment, big pitch, big event, big dinner. Just really excited. And as I'm saying that, I swear, you guys, I just saw 222. That is my number. That is my number. My sign for business is always 222. And I literally just drove by right now. Okay, you guys, my Uber is downstairs. I am heading out to this pitch. I'm wearing this full all-white suit from Reese. I'm a little nervous, but I feel like I'm pretty well prepared, and we're off. Just another sign on my arrival for my Uber is at 555.
Mindful has completely changed my life, but it's not about me. It is about all of our members around the world. It is about Mel, who spent 4 years trying to conceive, and after 4 months on Mindful, was able to get pregnant with her first daughter.
Good morning. Oh boy. This has been the craziest 24 hours. I'm now about to pack up, go for a walk because something got shipped to my manager's house. I need to walk and go get it, have breakfast, have a matcha, turn into a human. Then I have to fly home, have a bunch of work to finish this afternoon, and then tomorrow I'm up early shooting all day. Am I okay? Oh my god, my hair also didn't stay at all. Okay, great. All right, we just got the same breakfast as yesterday. I am out in the city again, and I have to head to the airport in a few, but your girl is not leaving without getting another cha-cha matcha. This will be my third in like 24 hours. 2 yesterday, 1 this morning. It is the best matcha by far, and I'm just not leaving without another one. I feel like I barely show my hotel, but it's actually very cute. And now I'm gonna grab my bags and we're heading to the airport. This has been New York, baby. In, out, meetings, pitch, raise some money, do some things, get some signups, tell some girlies, change the world. in that order.
Usually at the end of New York, I feel like I'm pretty tired and ready to go, but I'm feeling so energized. And I mean, I'm exhausted because I haven't slept much. It's been nonstop, but I'm like ready to do it, to do the thing. But anyway, we are out, which is good, I guess. I'm ready to do the thing because we've got a shoot to fly to.
And just like that, we are out New York.